Okay, so we're in exercise 5-19 for the trim command. I want to trim out all of these black lines that are on the outside of the rectangle, just so it looks nice and clean. The trim command is located on the modify panel of the ribbon right here. Notice there's a down arrow there. That's because underneath the trim is the extend command. So extend is like the opposite of trim. And we'll be doing the extend command exercise in a little bit. So the way trim works is it uses other elements as the cutting edge. So in this case, we're using the red rectangle as the cutting edge for all the objects that we don't want. So if I type TR, that's the shortcut for trim. I can select cutting edges. I can use crossing. I can use mode. I can use project or erase. Notice if I mouse over the objects to trim, I get this little preview showing what I can do. I can also use a shift to extend. So, and swap. So for example, if I accidentally trim here, if I hold down the shift key, that will extend it through. So I held down the shift key and left picked to replace that line. So I'm just going to come along here and trim the left side. Okay. Now the other way to trim is to use a fence, which is my favorite way. So I'm going to right click, go repeat trim, and I'm going to type F for fence. And then I can just draw a line through everything I want to go away and enter. And that's a lot faster than the pick method. So that's how to trim easily and quickly.